Hello, my name is Jimmy, and today we're going to check out the 2022 Infiniti QX55, and we're going to see if it can family. I have the Clek Liing as well as the Foonf already installed inside, so let's take a look to see what that looks like. All right, in the back seat of the QX55, as you can see here, I already have the Foonf installed here on the passenger side, and I got the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side. There's two sets of lower anchors within the QX55. They're both very easy to find. They're just right under the seat here. And there's three upper anchors behind the second row. In terms of this coupe-like profile, it doesn't really hinder too much in terms of putting your child in or out, which I'll demonstrate right now with the Liing. Putting the Liing inside the car is not a problem at all. As you can see, there's plenty of room on the top as well as on the bottom for me to easily slide that seat in. What's nice about the QX55 is, although yes, you have that coupe-like profile, it doesn't decrease headroom all that much. But let's take a look at the trunk, because that's important as well. Within the trunk here, yes, it's a little bit smaller than the QX50, but not by that much. As you can see, I got the Baby Zen Yo-Yo in here. Fits nicely. There's still plenty of space for everything else. And there's a little bit of underfloor storage as well. But that's really it. That's the basic QX55. Can it family? Absolutely it can. It's great for two kids, or not three. I don't think you'll be able to squeeze the third one in there. But for two kids, not a problem at all. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks, have a great day.